big rock.
Yeah, that's okay. You can close this. And this you could put water in here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and it goes out this way.
It opens.
Yeah, it opens. And the steering wheel, look at the steering wheel, it turns. Yeah. You see what is that?
That's like your daddy's truck, huh?
Yeah.
What are you going to do about your space, honey? You got the basement.
Like daddy's truck.
You got the...
I still got,
Thank you so much. That is so nice.
And look, you turn this one. Look at that. That's really cool. Look, you turn that. Turn that. Turn it.
You do have lots of stuff. You got 2 storage spaces besides all the room you got in the house.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Trucking, right? Isn't it cute? Adorable. I never saw one that was red and white like that.
No, as soon as I saw it, I said, I gotta have this.
Wow.
This is so cute.
And does this come out? Look at that. That side comes out too, the mirror.
The door's open.
And the door's open?
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.